Hello everyone and welcome to Tokyo Life. Today, we're diving into one of Tokyo's most serene and culturally rich locations, Meiji Jingu Shrine. If you love exploring history, culture, and natural beauty, make sure to stick around, like, and subscribe. Meiji Jingu is located in a peaceful forest in the heart of Tokyo. It spans over 170 acres and is home to more than 100,000 trees, making it a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The forest was carefully planted to create a tranquil environment for visitors to connect with nature and spirituality. One unique feature here is the display of wine barrels. These barrels, donated by wineries in Burgundy, France, represent the blending of Japanese spirit and Western knowledge. They symbolize the modernizing vision of Emperor Meiji and Japan's friendship with other nations. Every corner of Meiji Jingu radiates beauty, from the impressive torii gates to the intricate details of the shrine itself. The calm atmosphere, the lush greenery, and the cultural richness make this place a must-visit. Another fascinating sight is the Myoto Kusu, or the husband and wife trees. These sacred camphor trees stand side by side and symbolize harmony, family, and a happy marriage. Visitors often pray here for blessings in their relationships. If you're lucky, you might witness a traditional Shinto wedding ceremony at Meiji Jingu. These ceremonies are a beautiful blend of elegance and tradition, with couples dressed in stunning kimonos and surrounded by family and friends. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Meiji Jingu Shrine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tokyo Life for more adventures around Japan. See you in the next video.